Here we have this Samsung Galaxy A25, which we will be discussing. Use a completely PC-free method where we'll explain step by step how you'll be able to recover your cell phone in one of the easiest ways. And faster, with just one click we will be recovering. Making a series of configurations since what our phone had was a screen lock. What we did was format it, we reset it. We're now left with this little padlock on the part top left, and we are now left with this accessibility. But it doesn't allow us to move forward in any direction. If that's your situation and it's preventing you from moving forward, don't worry. We're going to do the following, and we're going to give him what is the solution to this recovery. Having said all that, what we're going to do now is connect. What is a Wi-Fi network to begin this process? We're going to connect to a new network. Now I'm going to show you what happened to us. I already know what I did. Well, I changed a screen lock. But I just finished putting on a stronger lock. After a while I had forgotten about it. Okay, so if that's your case, suddenly, what you did was, or your phone was reset. It formatted itself automatically, or maybe you formatted it yourself. Suddenly you hadn't forgotten that screen lock. Well, there are many ways we can recover our cell phone in several ways without needing to use a PC. In the video description and the first pinned comment we also have another completely different method, a method without a PC, different from this one. Well, if you're the type of person who suddenly remembers the screen lock, you can add it here. If you add the screen lock you had on your phone, if you remember it, of course. I'm saying, if you happen to be one of those people who remembers that block, you add it here and it gives you that access without needing to watch the entire video tutorial. But let's say you suddenly forget, then you'll click here. Where it says use my Google account, you're going to do that here. It also gives another alternative. What are those other ones? Alternatives here allows us to add the email that we had it on our phone, if you remember, the email, and you can add the email here to the password, then click next. Then you add the password and then it will give you that access. Sometimes we have our email added to another device. Let's say you don't even remember your email or password. There is also another alternative. Sometimes when we create an email account, it asks for a phone number. If you remember that phone number, what you have to do is add the phone number, then click next. You receive a recovery code on your phone. You add that code and it gives you the opportunity to go directly to the home page. That would be the other alternative to recover phone without needing to watch the full video tutorial. I've told you many options for recovering it. Let's say you don't remember any of these options. So you're going to do this. You're going to click on forget, you're going to click here. You click next, you click here too, you click here too. You click next and you're going to do this for 30 seconds. After those 30 seconds, I'm going to explain what you're going to do. It is recommended that you watch the video tutorial in advance and see it step by step. Steps to help you fix and recover your cell phone. As you can see here, we got stuck. Now press volume down and volume up at the same time. Here we can see that it gives us the option to go back. If it works for us, we click here. Now we'll do it again. Now what we're going to do is double-click on We double-click here, double-click here, we double-click here. We click here on deny and now we draw an L towards. Back, an L backwards, an L backwards. Now we press volume up. Turn the volume down at the same time and we'll go back to the beginning. While here on the home screen, we're going to tap the screen several times. We click back, add new network. We turn this little nut that appears here. We click on language, we click on the 3 dots. To update, we return to the last option. We press reset, we click here, we click there. We're going to reset those 4 options that appear here. Now that we've done that, what we're going to do now is press the volume down and power button simultaneously to perform a forced restart. Now what we're going to do is wait for the phone will take us directly to the beginning. Let us know in the comments how this went for you. Video tutorial. If it's working for you, if it's not working for you. Let us know in the comments which model you'd like. Which model this video tutorial is not working for, or on which model it might not be working for you. The idea is to fix and recover our phone, also in the description. From the video or in the first pinned comment we have a completely different method. Methods via PC. And a method without a PC. We have 2 different methods besides this one that don't require a PC, so you can apply them as well. Let's go here, let's begin. We click here on add and then we click here on the first option. What are we going to do now? We're going to use a screen lock on our phone, on another phone. We will need a Google account and to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And then we go here to this little camera that appears here on Google. Let's scan what this code is. We're going to click here where it says, sign in with Google. Logging in with Google here would synchronize our accounts. If you can see that this phone is syncing with this other phone. This same lock that we have on this phone and the Google account. This is the one we're going to synchronize here. We're going to synchronize both the email. We'll be syncing everything here on this other phone. They know we would be synchronizing everything. Now, when we have that little ball left at the top. Up there is because we pressed the power button. Press and hold the volume down button at the same time, and what we're going to do now is a forced restart. Now both the account that the other one had. The phone is syncing correctly here. We're going to synchronize what's good, it's already fully synchronized. Now what we're going to do is wait for. That takes us directly to the beginning. Why? To conclude this recovery process. One of the easiest and fastest ways would be without needing to use a PC. A completely PC-free method. Now what we're going to do is wait for him to take us here. We'll configure it right away. Now we're going to get an option that your Google account was successfully added. When that option no longer appears, it's because the video tutorial has ended. Successfully once this no longer comes out. This option is because the video tutorial has been successful. That's why it's always recommended to watch the step-by-step video tutorial so that don't miss any details so we can find a solution to this recovery. Here we can see, we're going to click here on Add. We'll click here on Add, we'll click here. If you don't want to copy here, we'll click on Skip. We click on Skip. Here we can see the email. Here the email appears. We click Accept, wait a few seconds, and then click Continue. We don't give it a laugh. we wait a few more seconds, we're here in the final steps. We're in the final stages now, here's the fine print. We give the small blue letters. We click here on jump, we click here on jump. We click here on add, then next. We click here on next, we wait a few seconds. We'll wait a few seconds here, we're here, we'll press here for more. Furthermore, next, we're going to click finish here. Clicking finish here would take us directly to the beginning.